The hot, it's hot. Hey everyone, welcome back to Mama Weesie channel. As you can tell by the title, I will be making some hot flaming Cheetos chicken legs. I'm going to do 3 chicken legs. So I have my ingredients, my Old Bay, my pepper, my salt, and also red pepper, Cayenne Red Pepper, along with the Cheetos, hot flaming Cheetos. And the bag that I will be crunching it up in, and my flour that also has seasoning already in it. Okay, so I'm gonna begin to season chicken. You don't have to put that much because I end up at 3 chicken legs. Push that all around. Okay. Put this in the flour. Put 3 in the flour. Shake it up. Okay. Move that onto the side. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to wash my hands. Clean the table off. So, I put some of the hot flaming Cheetos in this bag. Because I'm going to crunch it all up. Goes in the bag. My daughter was asking me, my baby girl, she asked me to do this. So, we're trying a lot of things here. First, it was the cinnamon walnut cake. Don't forget to go back and look at that, y'all. Check that out along with some more of my videos. And now we're trying the Cheetos, hot Cheetos chicken leg. Crunching it up good. I'll be back after I crunch all this up. Okay, I'm back. And I crunch up all of it. See how red look? Oh my goodness. Red is crunchy. See how red and crunchy it is? You see all in the inside. So I'm about to take the chicken out of here with the flour. See, it's all flour seasoned up. Flour seasoned. I'm going to put it in here. Chicken legs are seasoned with the flour. Put it inside there. So yeah, if y'all be liking my videos, don't forget to share it with others. Tell someone. Mama Weesie, watch Mama Weesie. She got all these different things going on. Cooking, a little bit of pranks, and you know, everything on her channel. you know. I'm going to shake it all up. Make sure the chicken is enough for the hot and spicy Cheetos. It's going all over the table because it's like a holding bag a little bit. So yeah. Woo! Yeah. Ooh. Can't wait. My daughter got me going doing this. Baby girl said, Mama, let's try it. Try it. Try it, Mom. Yeah. All on the table. So yeah. Now I'm going to take it over because I got my grease over there hot. And I'm going to put this inside. I'm going to let y'all see how it look with the cover on it. Ooh. Cover it up, cover it up. Cover it up, gee. See? Ooh. Yes. All in through and through. Hot. And no, I don't like hot, spicy, hot stuff. So this is going to be whew, something in my mouth. And it's flaming too, the flaming one. So I'm going to take it over and put it in the fry. Okay, y'all, I'm over here with the grease in the frying pan. The chicken's still sitting. So now I'm about to chuck Cheetos hot flaming chicken legs inside the grease. I know that y'all saw it say, she didn't do it the way I see other people do it. But no, I didn't. I'm doing Weesie way, Mama Weesie way. So okay, that's one. Two. Three. Take y'all a little closer so y'all get a good look. This is Mama Weesie way. I'm gonna let that fry and get where it's supposed to be done. And I'm gonna be back with y'all. All right, welcome back. I have a special guest, and this is the little one that I was telling you about that had me to make the hot flaming Cheetos chicken. So yeah, as you can see, I sprinkle a little bit of basil on top of it. So now we're about to do a taste test on it and see how it came out to be. Is it really hot like it's supposed to be or not?
Why did you just knock the chicken off?
Ooh, it's hot.
This is like cabbage. The joint that I saw on.
Ooh. Yes, look at it. But to taste it. Ooh. This is the Mama Weesie way. The hot, it's hot. Yes, it is hot, y'all. We know the chicken is hot, but this the Cheeto is hot on it. How do you like it? Do you like it? How does it taste to you? What did you rate it?
It tastes good. I rate it. Oh.
Okay. Go ahead.
I rated a 10. It's really good.
All right. All right. Thanks y'all for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, push that notification bell, and don't forget to share this video. And keep coming back to see Mama Weesie do more things and more things. I record this part on Thursday and sharing it now after it happened. My Weezie Nation, y'all won't believe what just happened. As I'm sitting here making a video for y'all and sharing the donuts with y'all, as I signed off, this old lady, this older lady drove up in this pocket space. She hit my car. She bumped me, my front end of my car. Then I got out the car because I feel something shake me. Got out the car and saw like the red scratch on my car, right? It's not bad. It could be like buffered out, whatever. So I'm telling her I'm telling the lady that she hit my, I said, you on my bumper. I said, you up on my front end. You up on my front end. She gonna say no. I said, yes, you are. I said, look at this. You up on my front end. Mind you now, she never got out the car. Okay. She stayed in the car. She backed up. Then after she backed up, she still took her time coming out. I know she's an elderly lady. That's what I have respect. I do have respect. So I stand right there. I say, see where you hit my car at? I said, see the red mark right here? She gonna tell me, no, she didn't. That's not my mark. No, that's not mine. I don't see no red mark. I say, you know what? I said, it's okay. It's all right. Because if it was bad, then I would have, pushed the issue. But since it's just a little scratch and it can be buffered out, the redness can be buffered out in my car, I just said, okay, all right, thank you, and you have a nice day, okay? And yeah, I just wanted to come back on here and share this with y'all. And I was just enjoying so happy and enjoying my donut with y'all. But I'm not gonna let that get me down. I'm still gonna enjoy the moment that I had with y'all, share with y'all. We ate the donuts together. So I'm still gonna, be joyful and all that after all this. So that's why I just wanted to come back on and tell y'all. Share with my Weezie Nation. Share with my family. Okay? All right. Bye-bye.